So Instagram's GIF or GIF option is not working for you. It may be missing from the comment section, or the bigger problem the people are facing is when they tap on a GIF, it does not get posted in the comment section. So what is the solution and how you can get over it? So the very first thing you have to do is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application by tapping on this little update button available right here. Updating the application solves more than 98% of the issues. So first of all, update your application. But if your Instagram app is already up to date but you are still seeing this error, then you have to go to your profile button. Next, you have to tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices. And after that, here under time management, you get an option update Instagram. So you have to simply tap on it and tap on update now to update your Instagram account. Sometimes the old Instagram account is also the reason you are not able to avail all the options smoothly. So simply update your account, and after updating it, you'll start seeing your layout like this, and then try posting a GIF or GIF in Instagram comments. But if still you're having issues and it's still not working for you, then you have to open up the settings of your phone and scroll through this page until you find apps and search in the apps Instagram. Tap on the Instagram application, and if you are on Android, you'll see clear cache and clear storage button somewhere here on this page. So simply you have to clear the cache and storage of your Instagram application. This helps removing all the bugs from the app. But if clearing the cache and storage also didn't help, then go to Instagram application, tap and hold on it, simply tap on delete app and delete Instagram application, and after that go to App Store or Play Store and install Instagram application again. This will refresh your application and remove all the bugs that are being appeared up in your Instagram application. And now do let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you if your GIF or GIF option was not working on Instagram. Thank you so much.